Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, viewers, as you know that Cincinnati Open 2025 is underway, and one of the quarterfinals is going to be played on 15th of March between Iga Swiatek and Anna Kalinskaya. This is only match preview, tennis predictions for upcoming game. Do like, subscribe. Thanks for watching my previous videos also. Yes, viewers, both the players have met only once, and the only match has been won by Kalinskaya, and that was in UAE 2024, where Kalinskaya got successful against Iga Swiatek in semi-finals. So this was the only encounter between these two players, and this will definitely be giving Kalinskaya slight psychological edge over Swiatek. But in terms of overall career profile, Swiatek has got very strong career profile with 386 wins, 87 losses in singles, and 23 single titles, while Kalinskaya is behind her with 314 wins, 193 losses, and hasn't got any single title. So that's very interesting. Swiatek, along with having more number of wins to her credit, although it is quite clear that Kalinskaya has played around 500 odd matches, while Swiatek has played less than 500 matches. And with this record, Swiatek has only lost 87 of her total matches, while Kalinskaya 193 losses and hasn't got any title yet. So this shows that Swiatek has got far better winning average than Kalinskaya with 23 titles against 0 to Kalinskaya. So title conversion of Swiatek is also far better than that of Kalinskaya in singles. In doubles, yes, Kalinskaya is a better player with 146 wins, 77 losses, and 4 double titles, while Swiatek has only 27 wins and 40 losses without any double titles. Moving forward, carry highest rank of Swiatek 1, her current WTA rank is 3, highest rank of Kalinskaya 11, her current WTA rank is 34. And this will again be benefiting Swiatek to win against Kalinskaya basis on her highest and current WTA rank, which is 3 against 34. And this is that definitely the consistency of Swiatek and having good running form. And doubles, 37 rank to Kalinskaya, not rated Swiatek's rank. 24 Swiatek, 26 years of age. Kalinskaya, Swiatek born in Poland, while Kalinskaya in Russia. Both plays right-handed. Year-to-date record, that's very important factor in predicting the game. 44 wins, 12 losses to Swiatek this year, 1 single title, while Kalinskaya has only 16 wins, 15 losses without any single title. So this year is again favoring Swiatek with better winning average and 1 title also in singles. In doubles, 0-0 record to Swiatek this year, while Kalinskaya has 14 wins, 4 losses, and 1 double title. So we are making the prediction on the available data. Apart from Kalinskaya has got the only win against Swiatek in head-to-head. All other factors in single matches especially, where Swiatek has 23 single titles, 386 wins, 87 losses only, high winning average in singles, high conversion rate of wins into titles in single matches especially, carry highest rank of 1 and current WTA rank of 3 of Swiatek, while highest rank of Kalinskaya 11, current WTA rank of 34. That clearly shows that Swiatek is a far better player of late, and this will I will definitely predict for Swiatek to win the upcoming game. Moreover, current year is also favoring Swiatek a great deal, and she is in a very good running form. So to me, Swiatek will most likely be the winner. If you find this video informative, do like, subscribe.